Okay, so today's Aliencell video is going to be on how to work offline and transfer files to the X1. One of my followers has a shop that's about 50 feet from the back of his house. It's a metal building. It has no Wi-Fi, and he's considering buying the Aliencell X1, but would like to be able to work in the house and just bring the files with him out. So that's what we're going to do today. I have a flash drive that's ready to work. All you have to do is plug this in on the computer that you're going to be designing on and open up the Alien Space software. So let's jump into the Alien Space software right now. I've already got a file here that's prepared. So what I've done is I've set everything up. I did my offset on the file. I did my engrave settings over here. I set everything up, and I'm ready to save this file. It's as simple as over here clicking on Menu in the top left, File, and Export as AL. And once I do that, it'll bring me to that flash drive. You'll have to browse to it. You can see I've got some other files on here already. So we're just going to call this one Bear. And that's it. And click Save. And that's it. We're done. So now we can go over to the laser, and I'll show you how to actually run this on the laser. All right, I'm going to do my best to hold the camera and do this at the same time. So I'm going to take the flash drive and plug it in and come back up to the touch screen, click on the folder, and that's how you get to your files. Then I'm going to click on external storage, and you'll see all the files that are on that thumb drive. Now I'll click on the one that I want and confirm that. And we're ready to do a little testing and move it around. So this is probably the best feature out of any laser on the market, is that you can grab the image and move it. So as we click on the image and drag it, the laser moves, the laser head moves with it. Absolute great feature. You have the up, down, left, right arrows if you need to make micro adjustments by, like, say 1 millimeter or so, and then you just click frame and it will frame the job. Now you'll see that I don't have a piece of material big enough to actually run this job, but if I did, I'd be ready to get started with the job. We can also click on parameter edit, and we can change the intensity. We can change the settings on the engraving and the cut. And that's it. We're now ready to run this job. All we have to do is click start. Really simple. Okay, so that's all there is to it. You just save your files to the flash drive, bring them over, and you can manipulate them right on the touchscreen. I love the fact that you can move the laser head just by grabbing the graphic and moving it around on the screen. Very neat function. You can also change your parameters right there on the screen. So fully functional touchscreen on this machine. The only things that you need to remember is when you're using your flash drive that you can't just save regular files to it. They have to be in an AL format. So you have to do Menu, Save As, and then choose the AL format and give it a name. And then all you do is plug your flash drive in and you're ready to go. So I hope this video helped you out with your Aliencell X1. And as always, I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.